Watho uyu uria wetereirio gwikirwo kirore ni governor wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi urongoreirie gucaria njira cia kuiga keheri kigina gitanyihire ciringi mirioni 10 hari o wandi 60 mbeca cia ukinyaniria wa tabarira cia uthii wa nambere.
Mr. Speaker,
kuringana na Hezron Njoroge MCA wa RIEGA muingi wendekithitie gatagati ga gicunji kia 15 na 45 hari igana gukorwo gigithie ukuri-ini wa matura.
We expected the said bill to have about more than 10 million, because when we take 10 million is just 2.8 per the total budget we have in Kiambu. So 2.8 is so little, and I was proposing at least we start with 7%, that is the minimum allocation per ward, that is about 25 million.
Ona kuhanuro uo MCA aya maugiterere ni ikinya riega magitanya uthio mweru wa wandi kuhitukira tabarira itiganite.
One thing that I'm happy is that from now going forward we will be having projects that will be managed from the ward level. We want to believe that that is not the only project that we will be doing, because the governor is also doing his own projects in our wards, and I want to believe that between now and the time we will be doing, we will be winding up with the year, we have something that will be showing our people that this is what we were able to do during the time we were elected.
MCA wa Karuri Peter Wainaina na akiuga kigina giki nigiguteithiriria kunyihia wira wa thirikari ya county wa gukinyaniria gicunji kia 100% kia uthii wa nambere thini wa wandi, kuona mbeca iria MCA mariheagwo cirihuthiragwo wira-ini wa gukinyaniria tabarira mwanya cia o wandi.
It was something very small, but we have agreed as a start we move forward with it. We hope the projects will be implemented as they are brought by the public, from the public participation, whichever the projects that the public will agree.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, Yotagogena wa Wadiro.